Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer, and today we are going to take a close look at the iCrimp stainless steel cable tool. Now what this is used for is steel cables, tying them around things like multiple PVC pipes, wiring. You can even use this on like headers on a car where you're putting the wraps on it because the steel allows it to tolerate the heat. These are stainless steel, so they're not even going to corrode. Now the particular kit that I've got today is going to be the WCT 322 model, and it is going to come with 100 of the stainless ties. Now I own several iCrimp tools. They are amazing tools. They are very well made. They're going to be solid construction, all steel. The handles are very nice and easy, not only easy on the hands but easy to clean, which to me is very important. This particular unit I like. If you have never used a steel tie tightener, they're a little different than your nylon type tighteners where they go in a little different. These are going to pull from the front, and they have a little locking jaw, so you're going to slide it through a little bitty slot there, and I'm going to pull you guys in closer in a second and show you on the pipe how it works. But you're going to slide it into the jaw, you pull it till it gets snug, and then you're going to push down on the handle, which is going to cut off the excess. Now the reason this tool is so cool is a lot of the tools I find out there right now, the little cutoff is further up. So I'm going to have to use two hands to make that work, where in this one I can literally use one hand and just reach over my thumb and cut it. This tool also is spring loaded here, so it makes it very easy to work. When I say spring loaded, when you tighten and you let loose, it goes back. So it makes sure that it keeps a hold of that steel cable as you're trying to get it in there. That's a really cool feature. And the fact that the handles are not only comfortable, but they're very smooth. And you may ask, well, why is smooth important? Smooth is important because it makes it easy to clean. It does not collect, grime and dirt and grease as easily, and it wipes off easily. Now what you're going to get when you get the kit, it's going to come just like this, already pre-assembled in a nice box like this. If you want to gift it, it's great to be gifted because all you got to do is wrap it or put it in a gift bag. It's ready to rock and roll. You are going to get a little instruction sheet, which is, like I said, it's pretty simple. There's not a whole lot to it. You will get the 100 cables, stainless steel, and they're going to give you a release screwdriver so that you can actually release these and reuse them. So if you need to just re-release it and get it off of there, because to be honest with you, a lot of times it's going to get really tight. Sometimes you can't even get a cutter under it. It's nice to be able to release the cable. All right, guys, well, keep in mind you generally are going to have several pieces of PVC pipe, and you can get these cables very readily, by the way. There are a lot of companies that sell them, even on Amazon. And you're going to simply start your cable. You go around just like you would any other tie strap, and you're going to insert it just like that and get it to where it's, fairly snug around whatever it is that you're trying to tighten. You take the tool, and here are the jaws. This is the little opening. You'll notice it only goes about halfway. You are simply going to, without pushing it, leave the little spring engaged. You just slide it into place, and you'll slide it down to where it's snug, and now all I have to do is tighten, and you'll keep tightening until it feels about right. Then you reach up and just cut just like that, and it is done. And now you have an extremely tight cable. Now it's going to be tighter obviously if I have multiple things and I'm tightening it down, but that's how that actually works. One more time just so that you can see it again in action. We're going to take it, run it around, start the actual tie, slide it up there, Now we just take the tool and slide the cable into the groove, pull that groove back and tighten. Get it nice and tight to where you want it, and then snap it off. So there you go, guys. That's all there is to it. It works extremely well, extremely fast. This is one of those kind of tools that'll probably last you a lifetime. You buy one good tool, you put this in the toolbox, take good care of it, and you probably won't ever be buying another one. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars. I love the iCrimp tools and I love their quality. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.